Tap Tech, here you'll want to pay attention, because Canon's next APS-C powerhouse is rumored to pack full-frame firepower in a compact body. Stick around, I've got the latest buzz that could change how we think about hybrid cameras. You think your current setup is fast? That might be about to change. The Canon R7 Mark II is said to arrive later this year, and it's already shaping up to be a serious leap for crop sensor shooters. This new model is expected to push speed, video, and autofocus to the next level. Let's break down what could be coming and why this camera has so many people excited. The original R7 already felt like a 7D successor in mirrorless form, but it still had room to grow. The R7 Mark II looks ready to deliver that growth. Early reports point to a brand new stacked APS-C sensor with faster readout and less rolling shutter. That means cleaner images, smoother video, and a huge boost in burst shooting. Imagine capturing 40 frames per second with no blackout. This is the kind of speed that changes everything for wildlife and sports shooters. What's also interesting is the possibility of the camera relying entirely on electronic shutter. That would make the body faster, quieter, and more efficient while keeping rolling shutter under control. For creators who shoot fast action or need complete silence, this could be a game changer. On the design side, the R7 Mark II is expected to feel more professional. Think tougher body materials, weather sealing, and a deeper grip that feels secure in your hands. The button layout could see refinements, making it easier to control without digging into menus. If Canon borrows from its higher-end models, we might even see improved dials and joysticks for better ergonomics. The display and viewfinder are also likely to be upgraded. Expect a sharper old EVF with smoother refresh rates and a brighter vari-angle touchscreen that works better in sunlight. This is a big deal for both photographers and video shooters who rely on accurate framing and fast menu navigation. Video performance is where things get even more exciting. The R7 Mark II could bring 4K at 120 frames per second, opening up slow-motion shots that look incredibly smooth. Some talk even suggests higher resolution recording like 6K or 8K options, but even if it lands on super detailed 4K, the results are expected to be a big step up. With 10-bit internal recording and expanded log profiles, creators will have more freedom when color grading. Behind all this power is the processor. Canon is expected to push faster image processing for better autofocus, smoother operation, and improved efficiency. Autofocus itself could be upgraded with deeper AI learning, allowing the camera to track people, animals, vehicles, even more subjects with precision. For fast action or unpredictable movement, this could make all the difference between getting the shot and missing it. Battery life will likely see improvements thanks to better efficiency. Expect reliable performance for long shoots in USB-C. Charging for flexibility. Being able to top up with a power bank in the field makes a huge difference for photographers and videographers who work on the go. For creators who also stream or produce content online, this camera should perform as a reliable tool. With fast autofocus, high frame rate output, and strong codec options, it fits right into a creative workflow that includes streaming, filmmaking, and high-speed photography. Audio will likely remain consistent with what creators expect: a mic input and a headphone jack for proper monitoring. That gives flexibility for professional audio setups, while keeping things simple for those who just want to plug in and record. Connectivity is another area where the R7 Mark II should shine. Expect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast transfers and easy remote control. For studio or tethered work, the camera will likely offer stronger wired connections to keep professionals happy. Now let's talk about price and value. The first R7 launched at a very competitive point for a PSC. With the upgrades on the Mark II, we can expect a higher price, but still far less than a full-frame flagship. When you balance the features' fast burst speeds, high-quality video, strong autofocus, and rugged build, the value becomes clear. For many creators, this camera could deliver professional performance without the full-frame price tag. Pros are easy to list. You get speed, a likely stacked sensor, improved autofocus, pro-level video, better ergonomics, and a durable design. Image stabilization should also remain a highlight. On the downside, the higher price could be a barrier for beginners, and we'll have to see how the camera handles heat during long video sessions. Still, the strengths are expected to heavily outweigh the weaknesses. So what's the verdict? The Canon R7 Mark II looks like it could be the APS-C benchmark. It brings near full-frame performance to a smaller and more affordable body. For hybrid creators, whether you're into fast action photography, filmmaking, or content creation, this could be one of the most versatile and exciting cameras of the year. That's the breakdown of the upcoming Canon R7 Mark II. Stick with TapTech. Because when this camera lands, you'll want to know if it's the upgrade you've been waiting for.